day 4 here in Dubrovnik, and we're heading to a day trip to Kotor, Montenegro. It's another country. So we thought we're going home today because we mistakenly read our flight, but we're going home tomorrow. So we have still one day to visit Montenegro. Just meeting our driver. So we have a van, our own private van. It's actually good for 8, but we're just 4. Amazing. We're still so private school.
Private
Big vehicle.
Church is Lady of Rocks and St. George Church. That I will show them the way. After that, 25-30 minutes
So from Dubrovnik to Kotor, we have 1 hour.
1 hour to the borders.
1 hour to the borders.
When we cross the border, first it's Peras. Peras is like something like 45 minutes, depends from the traffic.
Yep,
And then
hopefully there's
after
no
that,
traffic.
25 minutes we are in Kotor.
Beautiful. So Montenegro means Black Mountain. So when you go 5 kilometers from there, that's Bosnia already. This is Croatia, and there, going there is Montenegro.
We call it, and everybody
Wow.
this area.
We're here now, the border.
Because they don't want to go to second track. You know. That's it.
Welcome
After
to
that,
Montenegro.
45 minutes, 50 minutes.
So we have a quick stop over here to have some water, toilet break, and it's 45 minutes to Kotor, where we're going, which are part of Montenegro. We bought Chio, we bought Voda, means water, and Chio, and a more expensive Chio. More expensive one.
Pang mayaman.
See, the water they use for catch oysters and mussels.
For what?
Oysters. Mussels. Yeah. They put stick inside, they grow up the stick. And it's good, you see local guy have here platform, and when you arrive they will take fresh, you know, from the water that you can try.
Your brother as well, my cousin. My cousin.
Okay, I give 4 tickets
Yes.
for the island and my boat. I'm gonna explain everything.
Okay.
Waiting for you down there. You go on steps and 20 meters right, then boat.
Bono. So what we're going to do now is we're heading to the boat. We're gonna cross the what's the ocean name? Adriatic Sea. And then we'll go to the church. Oh my god, it's cold. Shit, gibilin ako akong ano. Uy, wow, nice.
Yeah, banana boat.
Banana boat. Oh, it looks fancy. Hello. Oh, it's a beautiful place. Look at the sea. It's so clear. Polena boat. It's nice.
Cute.
Ay, kalamig. So we're at the boat now, and look at what's in front of me. It's a very romantic scenery. So this is the Adriatic Sea. You can see the fjord lands at the back. We're here at the first stop. It's a church in the middle of the Adriatic Sea. The water is so clear during summer. There's a lot of people having a swim in here, but it's a bit cold at the moment, so we can't. So sad. This is the church. It's so nice.
every time we go to any destination, Joni makes the point to fly Hedwig. And 2 churches. This island that we visited is the only one open to the public. The other one is closed.
We're now in the Kotor town, just roaming around after we had the boat ride to those 2 church in the middle of Adriatic Sea. That's the keyword for today, Adriatic Sea. Oh wow! Look at this beautiful town. Beautiful. Of course, pictorials for memories for social media. So you can see a lot of shops here, taxi boats, and you see the people here, they're just living calmly and they're happy to see some tourists. Not some, a lot of tourists actually. Look, that's their houses, a traditional house. It's an apartment. No, Montenegro dolls. They love dolls too. Church bell. Ding 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 ding. Ding ding ding. Ah, yaw rin sa likod oy. It's like we're here in a we're it's like we are in a video karaoke video. Where you see there's like a lyrics and the background is this. Just put lyrics in here and we are in one of the karaoke session. Yes. Yes. So for our lunch, this is our snacks, yeah? Just having bread. The bread here is so good. 2 more steps. I mean 2 more flights of steps. So we're back in the parking. So this place, by the way, is a Paras, Montenegro. After this is Kotor, which is the main city. Main place that we're going to. We are back. So we're here now in Kotor, Montenegro. As you can see, there's also fortress, just like one in Dubrovnik, but this one is not that high, but it's color black. And you see from afar, there's a ridiculously a wall up to the mountain with a church. I don't know how the hell they done that before. Amazing. Yes. Wow. May ano tinaw ma kayo ng river na ni? This is the river. It's emerald. So before entering the old town, the fortress, there's a restaurant outside and it's very cheap. It's cheaper than the Dubrovnik. That's why we're eating here. Do you agree? Yeah. And what's your drinks?
Margarita.
Yeah, let's have a cheers. We have margarita, so we could have a relaxing afternoon. And Fanta.
Cola.
Cheers guys for our Montenegro trip that was almost got cancelled. Ah shit. Tequila.
Our Montenegro trip that
Alam niya sa asin. So this is the main entrance of the old town. It's the fortress. It goes from here all the way up to the mountain. It's ridiculous.
Pang European, very
We have no idea how they made it before. Floors, smooth.
limos mga bata. Na sila adult ka nag-lead sa ila dito sa gawas.
Mo ba?
Sugo sila ato lang mo dito.
Bugaw. Layang bugaw. Wow. So this is what it looks like inside the old town. It's kind of like a Dubrovnik old town, but this one is much smaller and much wider.
More cramped.
More cramped.
And more packed.
One distinct feature as well here in Kotor from Dubrovnik is that the old town is situated next to the mountain, and then road, and then the main art. What's the sea again? What's the name of the sea?
Adriatic.
Adriatic Sea. So mountain, the old town, the road, and Adriatic Sea. Nindot, no? Bago dahil na anis ako. Wow, there's so many alleyways and nothing. I think ani ang Salzburg. Ani din ang Salzburg.
Asawan ang Salzburg.
Dami magtaguanay diri ba? Kapoy na ko. Kapoy mo na kita mga friends. Snako dito sa mountain. Woo! Sayang. Delete. So short kasi field trip, no? Guys, this place is unreal. Sige na tag-unreal ani. Wala tayong words.
Iskinita agad.
Oh, Marshall's Gelato, CEO.
CEO sa July.
So after this, where are we going? Just here. We'll go home.
Towards. Yes.
So there's a lot of restos in here, so you won't feel hungry and thirsty. Sorry. And the staffs are so friendly, and without a doubt, they're so good looking. So this church has been built in 1166, and it was finished in 2016. Just kidding.
Finish it.
Tugay can home. No, I think it's just finished in 1160. I don't know what the 2016 stands for.
The restoration.
Maybe restoration. Ay, pila ko din.
Guys.
Hi guys, so we're just chilling here in the wall.
Chilling. Ice cream.
Chilling. Just looking at the fortress. Because we're still like enamored. Oh, we're so amazed. The fortress up there, the mountain. How are we able to get there? Because it's so sunny and hot. And I think there will be a very good views.
A very good views.
There will be a very good view up there. Sorry, we just drank a lot of wine.
Wow, a
'Cause
lot.
A meal without wine is like a day without the sun. No?
Yeah, see?
That's why we keep drinking wine every night. And look at us, it's so red and I'm so dark. Sunburn?
It's not because of the
The wine. The sherry is still white. I'm so happy for her. Mexicano, Rihanna, basta dito lugang.
mga vlog mata.
Wow. Looks like different eras. Wow.
Otherwise known as chronometer.
Unsa?
Chronometer.
So that's it. We just roam around inside the old town for I think an hour or so. It's just a small town. It has a lot of alleyways which is really Instagrammable. It's pretty, but we just roam around and we didn't do much. We just explored and appreciate the beauty of the city, of the town. Another thing we observed here in Montenegro, it's so hot.
Super hot.
Of all the places that we visited so far, this is the hottest one.
Yeah.
And it's very crowded. There's a lot of
Even the
cruise
wind
ships
is warm.
and tourists because it's just nearby the sea.
Siguro kayo, nasa sa
Yes.
south na.
I think so.
It's hot.
Part.
Kotor!
Kotor.
Kotor!
Kotor.
This is the normal river or lake, or is it river? It's so clear. It's a canal, but it's so clear. And that's the Adriatic Sea.
Talamig mga.
Wow. What kind of place is this? Nice, beautiful. So now we're heading back to Dubrovnik.